Okay guys, we are here at Pampanga.
Times were sweet, passions danced on easy streets. No shadows in our pure delight. Days without end into blissful night. Oh, how we long for those days. Innocence paved our ways. Calm streets and summer glees. Memories carried on the breeze. Fireflies and backyard games. Whispered secrets no one blames. In a world we once owned whole, where pure magic warmed the soul. Soft winds, a lullaby. No evil to dim the sky. Eyes filled with childhood's glow. Hearts felt the gentle flow.
You think this is the unit one more time put it up? Yes, sir. Yeah, right. Here is no problem. But this is space, diba? I think we need to put it, making looks like scar. Right? You have a patty, right?
Sir, sa malayo, ano tawag nun? When you look at it closely, you will notice it, but when you look afar, it's not so
Noticeable.
So it's okay. Another is no problem. More natural. Only face. Face lang.
Masilya ata mahal yung sinasabi ni sir.
paano lang, sir, same.
Only here. This one is another no problem. Face.
Ay, kasulod ng ano. Para hindi siya mukhang ano, naka-pub, ganon. Yes. Sige na.
Maybe customer coming and they're marami siya pati.
Yes. That will be their Instagrammable shot area. Most of the time, sir, our client makes her mural painting their background when they're taking photos.
So now I'm thinking making the table is like this or like this. What do you think? Table is like this or like this?
I think, sir, it is...
Sitting here, we're sitting here.
Yes, it is much better
This
if
one?
there will be... the table position will be something like this.
Pero ano, okay din yung pag-ano.
Yun nga.
Akala ko
Dito sila
nakafix sa
nakaharap,
ganun.
ganyan. Kasi nga may upuan, di magkaharap sila. Gets mo? So, yung isa nakaharap dito, isa nakaharap dito.
Okay.
Sir, thank you for the
You extension.
pad extension, sir.
Here, here.
Ayan, okay, sir. Gamitan na.
Kamukha ng fan natin. Handa. Wait.
Ito ba? Oo.
Handa na. Yun.
Ayan, thank you, sir. Ay, paano ko lang sabihin para makakas kong video. Hindi ko nadaanan niya. Tatakpan ko lang. Isa-isa.
Baka kailangan ni Kuya ng upuan.
Para lang kumanda. Ang tawag ko para kasi siyang may ano.
Para siyang may scar. Sabi ni sir. Makes sense.
Diyan namin ka naman yung mga brush.
May ito ang
Oh, how we long for those days. Innocence paved our ways. Calm streets and summer breeze. Memories carried on the breeze. When the sun kissed golden skies, we chased dreams up lullaby pines. Laughter echoed through the lanes. Draw the joys in simple games.
So, ayan. Kami guys. Nyo guys, sobrang sweet ng client namin. Ano siya guys, Korean siya. May dala siyang pouch. Korean na Korean, oh. May dala siyang pouch. Yan, ito yung pouch. Lumalabo. Gabi na kasi guys. Tapos may dala siyang pagkain. Yan oh, may wipes pa, may wipes. May monay. Ayan oh, ang cute. Thank you so much, Sir Yurian B. Lee. Guys, Korean. Narinig namin kanina na nagko-Korean sila. So, ayun. Salamat po, sir. Anyway, kakain na kami, guys. Alam nyo ba, pagdating namin dito, nag-start na agad kami. Kaya, ayun. Siguro na-impress si sir. Anyway, it's second day. Ito na po yung ating whip.